Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will talk about two different but the same company's eye products, which is CeraVe. First is CeraVe Skin Renewing Eye Cream. Deeply hydrates. This eye cream deeply hydrates, visibly smooths, firms and brightens delicate skin around eyes while helping restore the protective skin barriers. As this is formulated with caffeine to help visibly reduce puffiness, peptides to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and crow's feet wrinkles, and niacinamide to help visibly smooth fine lines and brighten skin. This hydrating eye cream is fragrance-free, paraben-free, allergy-tested, and suitable for contact lens wearers. CeraVe Skincare is developed with dermatologists and has products suitable for dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, acne prone, and more. CeraVe's best thing is that all products are developed with dermatologists, so use them without any worry. And now the second is CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. This cream helps to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness in the under eye area. Brighten cream with a non-greasy finish that leaves under eyes looking hydrated, smooth, brightened, and more awake. Formulated with hyaluronic acid to help retain skin's moisture and niacinamide to help smooth skin. Apply pea-sized amount to ring fingers and gently pat around the eyes area and brow bone both AM and PM. Best thing is that this fast absorbing formula can be worn alone or under makeup. Stay young beauties.